In the apartment for rent ads, studio apartments often show up among the least expensive. This type of apartment may be the right choice for someone who needs an inexpensive place to rent. Also referred to as efficiency apartments, studio apartments require some compromises in living style. Definition: a studio apartment consists of a single room plus a bathroom. The single room of the apartment must function as the kitchen, living room, and bedroom. The kitchen area or kitchenette may be divided from the main living area, or simply be a counter and cabinets along one wall. A studio must be arranged for sleeping, eating, and dining areas. The bathroom will be the only separate room in a studio apartment. Considerations: studio apartments can be a choice for singles, students, retired individuals, and those who spend a lot of time away from home, but need some place to sleep once in a while. Studio apartments are usually low cost and have low utilities. In a city, studios can often be found near universities and public transportation. Studios appeal to someone who wants to live inexpensively and simply. Size: the Dimensions Guide website states that studio apartments in the US are typically 500 to 600 square feet in size. They can be as small as 300 square feet. There are also luxury studio apartments ranging up to thousands of square feet. Luxury studio apartments meet the definition by having a single large room, but are more often referred to as loft apartments. Function: a studio apartment needs to be well organized to make living in one comfortable. Furniture like a futon sofa that serves multiple purposes helps use the room efficiently. A dining table that folds to a small space also works well in a studio. Cleaning a studio apartment is fast, if the apartment is not too cluttered. Alternative: those who feel a single-room studio apartment is a little too small may be able to find a one-bedroom apartment at a similar price. Anyone looking for a low-cost apartment to rent should consider both studio and one-bedroom apartments. In a building where larger apartments or floors were subdivided into smaller apartments, the line between studio and one-bedroom apartments may be blurred.